Welcome to Coding Literacy Flakes 36 of 40, Scratch Part 9, Nav Keys. Today we'll be looking at how to develop navigational keys using the arrow keys, because what we do from this point onwards will require us to have a broader range of input devices or input options for our user. To get started, let's open up Scratch and we'll have a look at what happens here. Okay, first of all I want to get rid of the cat. Cat's a bit boring, so what I might do is change it and choose another sprite. The sprite I might choose this time maybe, let's look, I might choose a beetle. The beetle looks good, so I'll choose that. So here we got the beetle. I don't need the cat anymore, so I'm going to just delete that. Okay, I need to make the beetle move left or right, up or down, so I need some changes to the X. The X will make it move to the right, so if I just make it 3 pixels, you'll see the beetle move to the right. The Y will make the X move to the left, make it move up I should say. If I click on that, it moves up, so that's working. Okay, to do the opposite, well actually I shouldn't do that, I should do change to Y. To do the opposite you put a minus, so let's have a look. Change Y to -3 should set it down. Okay, let's look at that. This goes down, yep. And change X by -3 should move it to the left. And that's working well. Okay, what I'm going to do is, before going any further, I'm just going to change the backdrop. The backdrop is a bit boring, so I might just choose a floor for the beetle to crawl on. So let's click on there, and let's just choose an indoor room, and I might choose this here. Okay. Now the beetle's a bit too big for the room, so what I'm going to do is shrink the beetle down to a smaller size, a bit more. Okay, and put it in that position. Let's go back to the beetle and let's go back to the script, and we've got that so far. Now when the script is fired up, when the program starts, I need those 4 buttons, arrow up, arrow down eventually, left and right, to be checked. So I need four keys checked, the arrow keys, and I need to be checked forever, so I need a forever loop. So throughout the game they will be checked to see if they've been pressed by the user. Okay, now we need to determine which key presses what direction, so we need an F. So we've got a forever iteration. Now we need a selection, the selection if selection, and I'll do an if selection for all of them. They will do different things. I'll do that one. Now in one of those, a different direction in each of those sections. There we go, and so far they're ready to go, but we need to sense the keys. So we need to sense what keys are being pressed to do what particular action we want our program. So if the arrow is pointed to say the right here, the right arrow has been pressed, it goes to the right. If the left arrow has been pressed, it goes to the left. If the up arrow has been pressed, it goes up. If the down arrow has been pressed, it goes down. Let's look at reactivate the program, and right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, down arrow is working well. But I also need this beetle to change to the direction, to face the direction. So what I need to do is it needs to be pointed to the direction, motion I think it is. So point to direction. So if I point to direction at 90 degrees, it would go right. If I point to direction of 0, actually it's not, it's -90 degrees, it will go left. If I point to the direction of 0, it should go up. If I point to the direction of 180 degrees, it should point down. Let's have a look at the program now. Running it. So left, right, change direction, good. Up and down, so it's working. That's it for navigational key setting in Scratch. Thank you very much for watching.